how to fix Instagram chats not showing. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do, open the settings, go to apps, open the apps manager like this. Now on this page, all what you have to do is keep waiting a few seconds. And after this, now you have to scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and then click on this force stop option, and then click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details, and here go to the power consumption alert and make sure to enable it. Go back, click on the data usage, and make sure to enable all network access options from the mobile data to the roaming data. Now, last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Instagram into the latest version in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.